This is unit 748, our 1H floor plan. Right off of the doorway, you walk into the kitchen, living, dining area. Coat closet right to the left here with plenty of space. Cabinets that go all the way around the kitchen, so you have plenty of storage, plenty of counter space, nice big island with overhead lighting. Just on the other side of the island, you have more storage. Huge living area leading out to the balcony, which does overlook the pool area. So plenty of space out here. It's west facing, so you see a little bit of the mountains. You're gonna get plenty of sunlight in the afternoon. Just over here, you're gonna have washer dryers. Standard size, stacked to save room. In here you got the bathroom, so plenty of counter space. Nice big garden sized tub for soaking. Leading into the bedroom with overhead lighting ceiling fan. Nice big window that fully opens so you can get plenty of fresh air and natural light. Plenty of space in here for a king with side tables for sure. And then nice walk-in closet here. And then you have storage that goes all the way around. So plenty of room in here as well. For more information, please visit our website at livetrivista.com.